Hey, it's Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite cookies, Snickerdoodles. These are soft and crunchy and cinnamon and sweet. You're not going to want to miss these. Snickerdoodles are some of my favorite cookies. I love the crunchy outside from the cinnamon sugar. I love the heat from the cinnamon and the softness that it's like a sugar cookie. This is an easy cookie recipe that anyone can make. You have to have this in your recipe box. And you guys, you don't have to chill the dough. So from the time you watch this video, you can have Snickerdoodles in your belly in under 30 minutes. For more delicious desserts, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get baking. So what's the difference between a Snickerdoodle and a sugar cookie? Because they're very similar, except for that cinnamon sugar coating on the outside. That's not the only difference. The main difference between a Snickerdoodle and a sugar cookie, or any other cookie, is cream of tartar. Now, cream of tartar is an acid, it's a leavener, and it's that telltale tang that you get when you eat a Snickerdoodle. My sugar cookie recipe uses cream of tartar too, but only a half teaspoon. The Snickerdoodles use 2 full teaspoons, which give it that nice telltale flavor that you expect from a good Snickerdoodle recipe. Other than the cream of tartar, it's kind of basically a sugar cookie recipe. It's very similar to my regular sugar cookies, except I use a little bit more sugar so that the cookies flatten a little bit and are less pillowy. You start your Snickerdoodles with 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter. Go ahead and add that to your stand mixer. You can use a hand mixer too, but I prefer using a stand mixer, it's just easier. You're gonna add granulated sugar, 1 cup, and then go ahead and cream those together for about 1 to 2 minutes until they're soft and fluffy. Add your egg and your vanilla and mix. Now make sure you're scraping down the sides of the bowl during mixing. Then add baking soda, cream of tartar, and salt. Go ahead and mix that together, and then add your flour. Once it's all mixed together, it's a nice thick cookie dough. It's perfect for baking right away. We don't have to chill it, which is one of the things I love about these cookies. You can make these cookies any size that you like. I like using my 2 tablespoon cookie scoop for a nice large cookie, but use a 1 tablespoon if you want to make a lot of cookies. You can make them larger. You could even bake these into bars. There's so many different things you can do with this recipe. So before we scoop our dough, we're going to mix some cinnamon and sugar for the coating. I'm using a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Go ahead and scoop a ball of dough, roll it between your hands to make it nice and uniform, and then roll it in the cinnamon sugar. Place them on your cookie sheet. I like spreading these out a little bit more because they will spread and flatten more than a regular sugar cookie or some of my other cookie recipes do. You bake your cookies for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees. They'll get nice and crunchy and golden all around the bottoms. I like erring on the side of underbaked for these because I do like them to stay soft in the middle. So as soon as they start to turn a little bit golden around the edges, they're nice and done. And guess what? Our cookies are done. These are my favorite Snickerdoodles. I can smell the cinnamon sugar. The cookies are nice and you can feel that they're gonna be crunchy on the outside from that cinnamon sugar. They have those telltale cracks that a Snickerdoodle has, and they're soft. I can feel that they're soft. Oh, they're my favorite. You guys, this is gonna be hard to not eat this entire batch. Soft and chewy. That cinnamon's a nice finishing flavor. These are absolutely fantastic. You're not gonna wanna miss this recipe. I am going to go and finish off baking my dough. Will you keep watching? Try not to eat them all.